So, do you know the people who have diabetics? They are 5 times more prone to death as compared to the people who drink alcohol regularly. Yet no one says anything when we eat Cadbury Dairy Milk. Kiss me, close your eyes, kiss me. Greetings and salutations to Honorable Mr. Reuben sir, the judges and all my lovely fellow participants here. This is Anmol Singh and today I'm going to be talking about the topics that your words can make you Narendra Modi. Oh, they can change other people's life. The reason I took the example of Mr. Narendra Modi because he has changed the life of millions of people. So big round of applause for Mr. Narendra Modi, everybody. Yeah, so coming back to the storyline. Do you know the leading cause of liver cancer is not to drink alcohol regularly? Yes, you heard it right. The leading cause of liver cancer is DNA. And the research has proved it right. Yet no one says anything. And yet everyone says this time to Punjabis that we die by drinking alcohol. No, Punjabis don't die by drinking excessive alcohol. Punjabis die because they are not able to find the right balance, that what is excessive alcohol and what is not. So in order to find that, they actually drink a lot. So in turn they die. So you see here, that was a joke. I thought no one understood. No problem. So alright, so but as a Punjabi you understood. So and the last fact I would like to give the third fact, the best fact, like the ultimate fact. Anyone wants to know the last fact? Yeah. Alright, supportive audience. Thank you. So the last fact is all the facts which I have mentioned today, like the diabetics one and the liver one, they are all fake. They are not true. I actually told these facts to a group of my friends and now we are 4 people drinking Royal Stag. You see here, words when told, words when said with intention. That was a joke, the Royal Stag one. So you see here, words when said with confidence, words when said with emotions. They has the power to change other people's beliefs, firstly. Now I would like to give another example. This is an example of my late grandfather. When he was alive, people used to tease him. Especially the children of our colony, he used to tease him. Because he was easier one to be teased. And one fine day, the brawl was so high, like between the children of our colony and him, was so high that I got downstairs. I actually confronted them, the children. I talked to them in a way that brought good side of them, like the children, that brought a mature side of them. And then guess what happened? Almost everyone stopped teasing him. You see here, words when spoken with confidence, words when spoken with emotions, words when spoken with facts, they has the power to change other people's behavior also. The second example, the behavior also. So in conclusion, I would like to conclude this topic by saying that always choose your words clearly. Always choose your words wisely. Always choose your words to empower other people, not to demean other people. Right? So your words has the power to change your life also. So always choose your words wisely. Thank you so much for listening to me. This is Anmol Singh signing out. And last